So first of all, I want to remove this nuts here, 12 nuts here, 12 bolts rather. So let's remove it. So next is you want to remove this cover, this engine cover. Then you also need 12 to remove all these things. You want to remove them one by one. They are 8 in number, they are 6 in number rather. So let's get on it. Huh. So we've removed the 6 bolts here. So next, you want to remove this cover. You want to knock it out. Knock it out. And to do this, you need hammer to knock it out. So let's knock it out. So this is how it looks like, the inside, right? So let's get on the timing. Then this is a crankshaft and this is a camshaft. This is how it looks like, the camshaft. So first, to set the timing, you will look for a hole here, the small air hole here, one small hole here, as you can see. Here, can you see the small hole there? Then you want to align it with a hole here. You find a hole here. So let's find a hole on this crankshaft. So this is the hole here, as you can see. As you can see here, that small hole there. As you can see on that gear, this hole here. This hole here, as you can see. This small hole here on this gear. As you can see there. So that hole is a timing mark on the camshaft. So you wanna align it with the one here on the camshaft, the small one here on this camshaft here, this one, this small hole here. So let's get on it. Let's set the timing. Let's align it. So now we've set the timing. As you can see, the small mark there is on the camshaft has been aligned with the one of the camshaft. So that's how you set it, the timing. So now we are completely in timing. The engine is completely in time. So we are done. Now you go ahead and put the engine cover, and that's all. Thank you for watching my video.